Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Ranu Akhtar Arzu. Today I will accompany you to the last segment of our high school evening news. Today's topic is what about how does aurora occurs? An aurora is a natural light display in the sky in the poles, caused by the collision of the energetic charged particles with atoms in the high altitude atmosphere. In the northern latitude, the effect is known as aurora borealis, while in the Antarctic region, the effect is known as aurora australis. They illuminate the northern and southern horizon as greenish glow or sometimes faint red. Occasionally blue but most often in green. Auroras can be seen at night because their light is not as strong as the light of the day. The aurora phenomenon occurs when the sun produces solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of electrons and protons which are released from the sun due to the high kinetic energy. These particles are charged and contain energy, which means they contribute to electricity. In other way, our planet is surrounded by a supersized magnetic shield, which is usually called the magnetic field of the Earth. Sometimes the solar wind hits the Earth. Some of these charged particles lead to the poles of the Earth at a speed that keeps growing. The collision between these particles and atoms present in the Earth's atmosphere. It releases the energy that caused the formation of colorful auroras at the poles of the Earth, which look like a big circle around the pole. Why aurora is only found in the Earth's poles? This is because the North and South Pole's magnetic field is very strong compared to the other regions. The poles of this magnetic field pull the protons and electrons from the solar wind, so the phenomenon is more common in the polar regions. However, sometimes the aurora can also appear at the top of the mountain in a tropical climate, but this phenomenon is extremely rare. Aurora phenomenon have been observed on other planets than Earth that have a magnetic field, such as Jupiter, Saturn, and more extremely Mars. It is believed to be a widespread phenomenon in the solar system and beyond. So that's for today. And now you're new. How does aurora occurs?